Investing in intraday data? Hooray! Great decision. But where do you start? What about data quality, length of historical streams, and market access constraints? How can you be certain that the data is correct? And furthermore, support. Who will you get at the end of your phone? More than likely, it's an overseas call center or a series of strung-out emails going nowhere fast. But what if you had a trader, a developer, or an expert data scientist to run things by? Direct support. No waiting around. How cool would that be? And that's why Portara with CQG Data Factory champions Portara charts for hedge funds and traders. It's not just about great software and data. It's about our complete, tailored service, regardless of the size of your budget. Access text, CSV, and ASCII data from market inception. Research and test thousands of futures markets and hundreds of FX pairs as far back as 1949 on worldwide exchanges. Choose the size of your portfolio to suit your budget. Create continuous data and run off the individual contracts too. Databases are local to your machine, so you don't kill your bandwidth. Back adjust, zero adjust, ratio adjust, and more. Format your data and automate your updates. Control timestamps locally or by exchange, respecting equinoctial and hemispherical DST adjustments, regardless of your location. Share the data with your development team with the same license and receive Portara's 5-point daily database too, all as standard. And the cost? Let's knock a zero off our old intraday pricing model. So, how does it work? Just get in touch, open up a dialogue, and we will handle the rest. Get started with Portara and CQG Data Factory today. Visit portaracqg.com to find out more.